Picture this. You're at the supermarket staring at two seemingly identical items with wildly different prices. Do you know which one is the better deal? And more importantly, why? We're diving into the real-world maths behind your weekly shop, proving that numbers aren't just for textbooks. They're your ultimate budget-saving tool. Now imagine you're buying ingredients for pasta tonight. You've gone down the pasta aisle and you're staring at two vastly different packets of the same product. You have a 3 kilogram packet for £3.85 and a 500 gram packet for 65p. Which one's better? That is where you have to find the cost per kilogram. The 3 kilogram bag costs £3.85. So to find the price of 1 kilogram, you do £3.85 divided by 3, like so, using your long division. It therefore costs £1.28 per kilogram. For the 500 gram bag, you have to find the price of 1 kilogram. So do 65p divided by 0.5. If we times them both by 10 like so, to get 6.5 divided by 5, you now have a sum you can do. So it costs £1.30 per kilogram. Therefore, the 3 kilogram bag is better value for money. After buying the pasta, you need some sauce to go with it. Again, you have two options, one tin for £1.30 or a pack of 4 for £4.70. Which one is better? Now you need to find the unit price, or the price per tin. There are 4 tins for £4.70, so 1 tin is equal to £4.70 divided by 4, like so. This means that the price of 1 tin equals £1.18. Again, the bulk option is better, so always go for bulk, right? Wrong. You didn't notice the buy one get one free deal on the single tin, so now you're getting 2 tins for £1.30. So you do £1.30 divided by 2 is equal to 65p per tin. Beware of hidden traps like offers and deals. Finding the best price doesn't have to be hard. Remember, price divided by quantity is equal to unit price, and the smaller the unit price, the better. If you can divide on your phone calculator, or want to produce some long division, you can always outsmart tricky pricing. So next time you're stuck in the aisle, remember, it's not about guessing, it's about the maths. If this helped to make maths make sense, please like and subscribe and click the notification button to be the first to see more videos.